Here I have OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera location tags on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap here, go to its settings and enable location here. Select set, enable location, allow while using the app, and now you have camera location enabled, and now every photo you take will be marked with its location. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.